Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time stopping by, please kindly subscribe and also hit the notification bell for more videos. In today's recipe, I'm going to be showing you guys how to prepare your barbecue catfish. Here are the ingredients which I'm going to be using to prepare the barbecue. To prepare your barbecue catfish, all you need is your fresh tomatoes, your scotch bonnet pepper, your ginger, your paprika, your garlic and your onions. You guys, when it comes to barbecue fish, this is my favorite fish to use. You can use any fish of your choice like croaker fish or tilapia. I will go ahead and wash my tomatoes and blend it. After blending the tomatoes, I'm going to be using the sieve to extract the water from my pepper mix. After extracting the water, I will add my soya spice, my Maggi cube, my fish spice, and my salt to taste. To my pepper mix, I will be adding my soya spice, salt to taste, Maggi cube and my fish spice. After adding all of these, I'm going to stir everything together and set it aside. Next, I'm making some incision to the fish on both sides. The reason I'm doing this is because I want my pepper mix to get into the fish. Then after scrubbing the pepper mix, I'm going to be wrapping it with foil paper and bake this for 45 minutes. wrapping it up with the foil paper. I will grill this for 1 hour. So guys, this is the outcome of it. Trust me guys, this fish tastes so yummy, delicious. I enjoyed it with my plantain chips and salad. You all are invited to demolish this food with me. See you on my next video. Bye bye.